This is the exact AI funnel sales sequence that allowed my client to go from zero to $600,000 in under 7 months in his credit repair business. Let's get this party started. First step over here is we use AI messenger ads to be able to start up conversations. And our targeting options are a lookalike audience of 1 to 2% of people that engage with the social media, of site visitors, of a lead list, and we also use AI to target competitor engagers. From there, our AI chatbot then gets them to opt in, name, email, and phone number, gets them to pre-qualify. Hey, what's your credit score? What are the discrepancies that are affecting your credit? Have you ever had a bankruptcy before? But most importantly, what is your current budget and can you afford this service? Then it goes to schedule up an appointment, but doesn't do this like a normal way. It doesn't just send them over a link because that causes friction because they hop onto another page and have to manually do it themselves. What it specifically asks is like, hey, are you free tomorrow? And, it aligns with the calendar accordingly. Hey, are you free tomorrow? The client says yes, and boom, it schedules it directly into your Go High Love calendar. Now, once the sales call is booked, we want to make sure that they actually freaking show up so it's not wasting your time. So what we do is we make sure that they confirm their appointment by replying yes to that text message or email. We make sure they're constantly getting appointment reminders, email, text message, and voicemails. We're making sure that they understand the cost of the call and that they will not get any more free ones. Make sure they understand like, hey, this is a $300 call. We normally charge $300 for this. And of course, we're making sure that we send them over calendar links so that they can directly click on the link and add it to their Google or iCalendar. And that call can go one of two ways. That call can directly go into a sale. They can make all the full amount right there. In which case, once they make the money, we exclude them from further ads and ask for referrals and testimonials. The other way it could go is you can ask for split pay, we can ask for deposits, or worst case scenario, we don't get paid. In which case, that sales call goes south. We're going to make sure that we schedule up a follow call and further send them over testimonials and more content to kind of nurture them. So then the follow call, we make that sale. But let's say at the AI chatbot level over here, maybe they opt in or maybe they don't opt in, maybe they pre-qualify, maybe they don't pre-qualify. Most importantly, they don't schedule up a call. If they don't schedule up a call, what we're going to do is we're going to add them into a Facebook custom audience, retarget them with a video ad, and we're going to make sure we send that over into a funnel, in which case we're going to ask them, the first page is an opt-in page, asking them for their name and email, so that we can then further send them over text messages and emails if they don't go to the step 2, which is schedule up a call on the calendar. Next page over here is a thank you page for SMS and emails. And of course, we're doing the same case over here. We're doing with this calendar over here. And guys, like I said, this is going to help you with bookings, increase revenue, increase efficiency, increase customer sales experience, and of course, increase data collection. So if you guys need help with any of this system, if you're stuck with any of this portion over here, or if you just want someone that has already done it before and want to just get it done for you so you can start making money now, DM me right now. There's plenty of ways to get in contact with me. I work on this. Hey, the more money I make you, the more I end up getting paid. So I want to make you money. Talk to you guys soon.